Hi, welcome to Technic4's Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover video for your page. When people visit your page, the first section that will be seen is the top area, which is your cover photo. As you can see here, this occupies almost the entire part of your page. This will help represent your brand and highlight your story in a few seconds. Videos catch people's attention more compared to still photos, thus drawing your visitors to stay and browse your page. Now let me show you how you can upload a video as your Facebook page cover. Log into your Facebook account. On your Facebook page, click the camera or video icon on the left part of your cover photo. Let's upload a video. Remember that your video must be between 20 to 90 seconds and at least 820 by 312 pixels, and the recommended size is 820 by 462 pixels. The video upload may take a while. Click Next. Leave this automatically replay video in a loop option. Then click Publish. When it is published, you will see that the video continuously plays in your cover photo section. As you can see that it does capture one's attention. If you don't have a video yet, you may check out one of the free sites that offer a no copyright download of images and videos. We do have a separate video regarding free stock images for Facebook, so make sure to watch it. You can check the link in the description below. Another web app that you can use is Wave Video to create Facebook cover videos. Just go to this URL and create an account. Click Sign Up Free. You have the options to sign up with your Facebook, Twitter, Google, or with your email. Here you can browse templates or create a project from scratch. Let's browse templates. Choose the templates without a premium icon so you'll get it for free. Browse from all the templates and choose a video. As you can see in this section, you can choose the dimensions of your video. Since we're going to create a video for a Facebook cover, we need to choose the Facebook cover option. The dimension of the video changed. It's now the recommended size for the Facebook cover. You can edit your template or share this video right away. If you edit your template, you'll be directed to this page. Using this editor, you can edit your text, add graphics and stickers, add watermarks, add music, and choose from these categories. Lastly, you can add videos or images and choose from these categories as well. As you can see, it will be added in this timeline. Then click the play button to check your video. Once you're satisfied with this video, click Publish. You can download it, but you have to upgrade your account to a creator, and this will cost you almost $9 a month. Another option is to share it to your social media accounts. Let's choose Facebook. It says here that a maximum of 15 seconds of your video will be published. Now click this button. You need to log into your Facebook account and choose the Facebook page you want this video to be applied to. This is our Facebook page we have chosen. Now click Publish. It will take time to render your video. Here is the generated link for our video. Copy this. Go to your Facebook page to apply this video. As you can see, our video is already posted in our page, but this cannot be used in your cover yet since it's only 15 seconds long. Let's download this video first. Click this video. You'll be directed to this page and click these three dots. Choose Download. Here's our downloaded video. This video is only 15 seconds long, and Facebook requires you to have at least 20 seconds of video in order to upload it. What you can do is edit this on your video editing software. Import your 15-second video and add it twice in the timeline. Then render this video. Facebook will now accept your video. Now let's upload the video we rendered from our video editing software. Go back to your Facebook page. On your Facebook cover, click this Change Cover icon and select Upload Photo or Video. Choose the video from your drive. Now it's uploading. Click Next. Then click Publish. You have successfully uploaded a Facebook cover video for your page. That is how easy you can create a video using this web app. Having a Facebook cover video for your page will make your page stand out. It will create a great impression from your potential customers and visitors. It can also be your video marketing strategy. Video marketing is an effective way in promoting and marketing your brand. Videos build people's trust and ignites one's emotions, which is the foundation of conversation and sales. In addition, video content is more likely to engage people and create new followers, thus building your possible target audiences. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box, and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.